baked chicken, nice baked chicken. And guess what I use, guys? Guess what I use? I'm going to tell you cut for them. Pineapple and sweet pepper. I'm not doing nothing more than just check out this. Open it. It's blurry. No, it's not. You do it better. Check out the seasoning. Check it out, guys. Oh, no, I know it's good. Say hi, all natural jerk seasoning. This me use alone. I season the meat, but let's put some salt.